Okay, let's go. The boys are back.
Boys are back.
And we're live. We're live for our members who have paid us money generously. And after a year of us not giving them anything, now finally they get to see us do this live.
Yeah,
which is
best,
cool, I think.
Best purchase they've ever made.
और ये सब स्टार्ट का जो था ना बकचोदी, वो मैं काटने वाला हूँ जब एपिसोड पब्लिक करेंगे.
Okay, that's how
The
it
members
works. Okay.
got to know something new about me that
Crazy.
I won't say now because
That you're Virat
smart.
Kohli.
Good. I think the members have deserved a bit of, love, and I'm glad we're giving it to them now.
Yeah, but now this is public, so now
Now
we'll
public.
speak for the others. The members can
Hang
watch.
in the room.
Yeah.
They can just chill.
You're with us right now. See that? That guy's with a purple gun.
Ah.
Hey.
What's up?
Hey.
Member one.
No, but that देना पड़ेगा, bro. For like 8-9 months and all, people have been members.
अरे वो लोग अमीर है भाई. उनके
Yeah, they've just put on auto debit
हाँ,
and
वो
they've forgotten.
अपने आप चला जाता है वो. They're like too lazy to cancel it also.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you
200
have
rupees,
a lot of stuff on auto debit, you know you're doing well. You just don't care.
Huh?
You
Maybe I'm doing badly. I don't know.
Nothing on auto debit.
मैंने कल ही भाई सोनी लिव का निकाल दिया ब्रो ऑटो डेबिट.
निकाल दिया.
Deserve it.
Oh, no. Those
Oh,
subscriptions I keep.
Sony, what are we going to do?
एक
Just use
चीज
it
था.
for only one thing.
एक चीज था भाई WWE.
क्या? There's Champions League too. So
There's you
But
can watch
WWE is more
MMA
important,
also.
bro. You don't care about Champions League.
I care about
This
it.
guy, bro. This guy
United
started
haven't
watching
played.
like 4 months ago.
Now I'm a fan, bro.
सही है, but how's everyone doing? What's happening?
Who's going first? You should go.
I should go first.
Yeah.
When you've come on the pod after so long.
No,
Yeah.
but you
This
are
is your
looking
return
fresh as-
episode.
Yeah, it's
How many episodes has it been? Been 2
You
episodes.
had an absence of 3 episodes.
जाके कोने में खड़ा रहे.
I note this down.
3 episodes.
End of the month cut
इस
cut हो जाए.
अटेंडेंस लग रहा है.
नहीं, वो फिर
That's crazy though.
इसका बायोमेट्रिक भी शुरू कर देते फिर.
है मेरा बात.
इतना घूम के पूरा 4 साल के बाद. We've been doing this for 4 years now.
Yeah.
Has it been 4 years?
Yeah,
Yeah,
4
it's
साल
been
के
4
बाद पूरा escaping the corporate world, leaving our job, ये वो, just to come back and
back into
become a corporate punch in, punch out.
Yeah. I think, but he's
No, but
still done.
I don't look at. I mean, I can
Who's
see.
done the most episodes apart from you?
Krishna.
You have done. I have done
I
least
think
episodes.
Yugo's done the most.
Yeah, Yugo is the Suresh Raina of Untriggered. He was just gone for a brief spell and then he came back.
Yeah, that's true.
अभी 2 साल में गुटखा भी खाएगा.
देख अगर उतना पैसा दे रहा है तुम्हें.
लगता तो है भाई उसको देख के ऐसा.
सुरेश रैना
हाँ.
नहीं यार. Suresh Raina is catching strays on this episode.
Yeah.
He's a legend, no, by the way.
हाँ, लेकिन-
He also
shout
that
out.
Yuzi Char coming out of court what? With that be your own sugar daddy on his
क्या
t-shirt.
कल ही बात कर रहे थे ना bro. काफी cringe I would say like.
Because he had his jacket on going in.
Yeah.
So he took his jacket off only for the cameras.
But that's a message though.
No, I get it.
But that's a stupid message.
हाँ, भाई किसी को तू 10 करोड़ या whatever तू दे रहा है ऐसे ही.
ऐसे ही क्या
ऐसे
भाई
ही थोड़ी ना दिया
उसका-
भाई.
क्या some dance lesson he got.
हाँ बस
He
शादी
got
भी
a
किया
life
था
lesson
ना.
also, no? So he's paying life lesson.
Expensive.
ये कैसा लाइफ लेसन है भाई.
नहीं
You
bro,
have to
वो-
pay 10 crores and you don't have a partner with you.
Yeah.
That's fucked up.
He has now some babe.
He showed up with
She's
some
also
new girl.
Dancer.
same types.
He has a type clearly.
Yeah.
People will leave.
नहीं bro, कितना साल शादी किया था? 2-3 साल.
Okay.
So 2-3 years of your life is not worth whatever 10 CR. Maybe
You're a
yours is
cricketer.
different, hers is
Yeah.
more. I would say. Her life costs.
Right.
उसके
Yeah.
skills थे एक दो. She could dance.
And
And
We don't know. Maybe.
I don't know her personally.
Right.
She's rich though now.
Now
Yeah.
she is.
But have you thought about that? Like when someone gets compensated, ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है. I saw this video where this Starbucks employee drive through में she
Oh,
gives
the
her the
burn
tray
thing. Yeah.
and it falls all over that guy.
On
like
the
the
guest.
hot coffee or hot tea.
Fuck.
And then that guy got a 50 million compensation.
$50 million?
Yeah.
Yeah.
seems
Settlement.
a bit excessive.
Yeah,
For,
the in the States, this happens a lot. People get sued for anything. You get dinged slightly by a car, also you can get a.
But
fucking
that's
$100
what
out of it.
made me think. Now the way the court is seeing it, this guy got this inconvenience and he suffered these burns. So now how are you gonna put a price on that?
The price,
Isn't your health priceless?
It's not.
And your life? Even like when people get run over and the family has to be compensated, it's like a huge money because you're paying for that person's
I
life.
mean, the most
Yeah.
straightforward
But-
economic equivalent here would be
A 300-word essay.
No, not a 300-word essay. The medical costs that it would take to probably get cured from.
But that's the
But
cure.
that's what we're
But
saying,
what
na, if
about the
someone's dead.
Or forget that, like even if someone's burnt, how much is the cost of that inconvenience?
Oh yeah.
Like
that
just
can't be
cure is to
quantified.
now you have to do something about it.
Plus, you're mentally traumatized from that. How are you going to calculate that?
Yeah. Makes
So
sense.
I would say the price of that is high. तो सोचो भाई ऐसे कुछ करने से पहले.
नहीं सही है बट ऐसे बहुत लोग एडवांटेज भी लेते हैं
There's a, yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
But that's how they have these guys na for
एक
checks.
छोटा सा कट शायद मैं मेरा इसका झगड़ा हो गया मैंने ऐसा पकड़ा इसका हाथ मे बी वन स्लाइट कट ही गेट्स ऑन दैट कैन बी काउंटेड एज सेकंड हैंड
Half murder, bro.
Half murder.
इंडिया में half murder है.
दिस इज नॉनसेंस
Yeah, in school people kept saying, "Why इसका half murder हो गया है? क्या एक खून निकाला एक बूंद?"
it's absurd
हाँ, थोड़ा excessive. That word is very.
Yeah,
that
half
term.
murder.
Half murder.
It's pretty cool though, half murder.
It's
Like, what the fuck is half
it doesn't
murder?
mean anything
yeah, it just
Murder means
an
death.
injury.
It's like something a cop would say.
Yeah.
So ये half murder हो गया इसका.
Yeah.
Fuck, half murder. ऐसा
murder
चोट
के लिए
लगा
अंदर
इसको. But yeah, there are crazy compensations like that.
yeah this guy is getting compensated like mad right now Mark Hunt have you heard of him he's an ex-UFC fighter
Okay.
Samoan guy based out of Australia. He's a legend. He's a kickboxer first. Yeah. He used to compete in the UFC, and his last fight in the UFC was against Brock Lesnar. And when that fight happened,
R Brock.
yeah,
Damn.
you didn't know Brock Lesnar's in the UFC? He won the title there.
What? That's crazy, huh?
Brock Lesnar was allowed to fight even though there was a drug enforcement this thing in place scheme by that time approved by USADA and they found out that he was on all kinds of steroids bro and they still let him fight तो उसमें उसने वो माखंड का गांड मार दिया उधर फाइट में एंड देन नाउ माखंड फाउंड आउट कि ये ऑल दिस चूतियागिरी हैज हैपेंड सो ही इज बीन सुइंग देम फॉर द पास्ट गॉड नोस हाउ लॉन्ग ही मेड $900 million
तो
900 million?
Off of
I think 900 or 90 one of those
90 रहेगा भाई.
that 10 seems.
No, bro, he's one of the richest men in the world right now. It's global news.
900 million is
But that's
close
the
to
thing.
a
अभी
billion,
तेरे
bro.
आंख पे roided up Brock Lesnar छोड़ दिया.
15 मिनट उस पे बैठ के उसने उसका गांड
मर
मारा।
जाएगा भाई तू.
मांगेगा भाई तू पैसा. ऐसा थोड़ी करेगा.
Brock तो can easily, even a non-steroided Brock can fuck us up.
Yeah. That guy's just like he's a
He's
freak of
You
nature.
guys, you
bro.
look at and you know that
You
just
know
paid
that
for
they can-
something else, bro.
Like even his eyebrows are like blonde.
Yeah.
He's like those Viking type.
Viking built.
Yeah.
Uska, if you see maybe his ancestry, you will reach somewhere crazy because
Yeah.
he was just born like that, athletic freak. Many people are like that, bro. Even someone like Speed, I show Speed. If you see, like he can do things which
He raced that Olympian.
Almost.
no one. No,
He
that was
he let him.
हाँ,
हाँ,
he's-
उसको was slow.
Advantage
Yeah.
दिया.
अच्छा.
advantage
नहीं,
दिया and
he just
was,
ran slower
like
than
messing
usual.
around, bro. He
Okay.
said also. वो ऐसा
what?
ऐसा भाग रहा है end में.
Oh,
तो
okay.
वो obviously it would be a no contest, but even the stuff that he can do physically, like even his build,
Yeah.
he's like quite
pretty good.
jacked.
It's pretty good.
वो
Yeah,
backflip
he's
करता है
That
किधर भी
backflip
जाके.
of his is so elegant, bro. Like he does
He
it so.
backflipped over a car.
Yeah, the Lamborghini one.
I
No,
thought
but
that video
I
was
think
fake
that's fake.
first.
I
No,
think
it's
that's
not.
fake.
He just jumped, leaped.
Oh,
He
he
just
jumped
jumped.
over.
Yeah, it's not a black.
Either way, that's still safe.
A lot of people say it's fake. A lot of people
It's real.
are saying it.
He did it on a live stream.
हाँ, but live stream में
Live stream में भी तो कर सकता
you
है
can
भाई.
run a video ना on live stream.
Oh yeah.
Come on. It looked pretty real, dude. I want to
Yeah,
believe that
even
it's
I
real.
want to believe.
But I'll be honestly seeing the kind of crazy shit that he does. I wouldn't put it past him to even attempt it because
Yeah.
if you are ever going for someone like that, you might be capable of doing it, but no one is going to take that risk.
Exactly, bro. The risk to reward
And
ratio is
say
not
on
that
live
high.
stream, let's say he got run over, then what? then bro, all these kids who are watching it at home, they're just traumatized.
And then what about the driver and all? भाई उसकी तो गांड लग जाएगी ना. Half murder.
Actually, even these
Full murder.
Full murder, bro.
Yeah.
Actually, even these fans are fucking psychotic.
Yeah,
They're like him only. They're all retarded.
But that's how the kind of people you attract.
वो
And
एक बंदे का वो कौन we were only talking ना upstairs अभी just now.
The
That-
Chinese.
Yeah,
The
he's
Chinese guy who
thrown
gave
a
him
banana
KFC.
at him and he's recording
he's
him.
like,
bro.
you're gonna love this. You're gonna love
He
this.
gives him a
There's
KFC
banana.
bag which is
Whatever,
sealed. You
bro.
love this, this is a banana, and he pulls it
उसको
out and he goes.
केला दिया है उसने.
Chimpanzee noises.
yeah.
And he's got a camera in his hand and he's laughing.
But that becomes the thing now. If this has happened so many times, even on his live stream, everyone's just calling him the N word and they're paying
Yeah.
voice to text to speech
हाँ, वो
to say
सब
the
चल
N
रहा है.
word. वो तो hey, he's like a character now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, he does play a character, but he's this character who does this crazy shit, and also people are racist to him, and it kind of makes it like normalized in a weird way, but also at the same time shows that it's wrong.
Yeah.
Hmm.
What's crazy is he allows it. He knows it's a moment.
Yeah.
He knows he's going to get views and
He's
money
being
out of it, bro.
treated in a racist manner. he's like so nonch, you know.
I want to see what his character is going to develop in. Because
It
now
has-
that he's young,
Yeah,
it's, it's
yeah.
acceptable. A 25-year-old man can't be barking at people.
It has developed quite a bit from when he started.
From when he started.
Because he was going down this path where he would have been cancelled by now. Like, especially the way he treated women on live stream and stuff.
Hmm.
So I haven't watched any of
You all
those.
remember that one
The Bombay one.
situation? He asked the girl, "Okay, if we're the last two people on this planet,
Oh, yeah.
and
that's bad.
if we had to reproduce to keep the world going, like, would you do it with me?"
Hmm.
And she goes, "No."
Okay.
He's like, "If we're the only two people on this planet, who's gonna stop me? Who's gonna stop me?"
No, but this is obviously a joke.
No, but
But
then...
But what sort of a joke?
No,
is that?
he took it thoda
It's
too
the-
far.
It's the
like
R-word joke.
He's like, I
you
can
know?
do whatever I want then.
Yeah, yeah,
He's
yeah.
like, and that girl was getting very like
No,
scared.
understandable.
Yeah.
Fully.
But he's like come out, he's Abhi now grown, and there are these clips of him also that go viral where he's helping people. So people are kind of looking
Liking
up to
him.
him and liking him. And he's traveling the world, bro.
Hmm.
I don't know how many countries he's been in the
Yeah.
last 3 months. He did a South America tour where he was just walking around in Brazil and Peru and like Argentina. Then he did Asia. Now he's doing China, bro. He went to like a kung fu.
did he actually shave his head in that?
No,
or it's
he's put a bald
he's pulled
cap.
that bald cap.
He-
na?
the stream was becoming a monk. So they go on top of some mountain and there he's learning kung fu with these kids. And it's like freezing temperatures, bro. And they're like hiking the mountains and he's like meditating.
Yeah, but his body is built like different, bro.
And this is all on stream.
Oh, live, bro. It's happening live.
That is insane.
It's like the craziest reality show.
yeah. He's too
That's
entertaining.
He reminds me of this guy, bro. Chris Tucker.
Yeah,
Quite
yeah,
a
yeah.
lot.
He does not.
He's got that same.
Skin color.
No, it's.
Nahi, his vibe, bro. Just like just
Loud.
outrageous, loud.
Yeah.
No, but it is very wild how absurd he is, bro.
Hmm.
To be like that, even if it's a character, he's in that character 24/7.
Whenever it's on.
Whenever the camera's on.
And it's on what? Almost all day?
Yeah.
It's like
It
a
blows my mind, bro.
6-hour stream.
He works hard for sure.
Yeah.
Like, you've got to give it to him.
It's crazy hai, bhai.
Dude, and there's some messed up things that have happened to him. Like, sometimes he just gets mobbed. And, like, once, I think he was in Norway or somewhere where people were pulling out his hair and, like,
What the
grabbing
fuck?
him. He got mobbed. And
That's scary, bro.
and he was just crying and he was like, this was the worst day of my life. And they had to
ये भी live पे.
Sab ho raha hai, bro. No, he posted a video. He had to cut the live stream.
Damn.
Because
Green
it was
apples.
going crazy. And then he goes, it's insane, bro.
That video of the tiger you saw, who almost came to attack him.
Which
He was in
time?
some enclosure. There were 2-3 tigers and the zookeepers. And Speed is like trying to play with this one tiger from a distance. And then thankfully he realized that the tiger was big. And thankfully he realized the tiger is actually not fucking around. Because you could see from its walk. And he's like, he just immediately told everyone saying, I'm leaving, and he started walking out. And you could see the tiger like trying to,
Coming closer.
like, you can tell it was trying to attack him. It was going to.
Now this is thrilling.
And I'm so
live
glad
stream
that he didn't
content,
bark
man.
or something, and he didn't yell like a retard how he always does. Like he just handled it and he ran away and he's like, guys, please take care of this. It was quite scary to see.
Yeah, bro.
The quality of entertainment has increased, no? I have to say. Like the things that
Quality?
yeah, I mean quality, I don't know, but just like the craziness of it. Because like
Yeah.
kids have so many options to watch. You go on YouTube, the kind of YouTubers, like even someone like a Mr. Beast, who I think people have just become desensitized to his content, but he also does crazy,
Yeah, he
he
kind of
pulls off crazy things to a level where now it's like, obviously he'll do like something like this.
It's become standard.
I built a well for 1,000 people in Africa.
Yeah.
Like I sent someone to space. I don't think he's done that yet,
Nahi
but
yet.
soon enough.
Sounds like
It sounds like a Mr. Beast video.
Yeah.
और बच्चे सब देख रहे हैं फोन पे ऐसा हाँ cool. We don't have
Yeah.
all this.
Yeah.
For us, they used to make those wells.
For
remember
us,
or what?
those-
Those guys in the forest.
हाँ
Those two, they used to use only sticks and this
That
thing. And
was
this.
such a different kind of content.
That was
so
so
calm and
it was so peaceful.
You can only hear the nature.
The nature.
and वो टक 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 आवाज है कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है इसमें वीडियो में.
कुछ voice over नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं है, bro. Like, and we used to sit and watch the whole thing.
Because there was nothing else
Till the
to
end.
watch.
Even I think peak YouTube time for us was like skit comedy and stuff.
Hmm.
yeah.
Vines.
Vine
Vines
we
was
had
not that
Vines
popular.
when we were
bro.
in
growing
India.
In India, it wasn't that popular.
But then it gave us so many big creators that
Yeah.
exist now. Whether
Yeah.
it's Bhuvan Bam or there's a lot more people who. have
Bhuvan was on Vines, or what?
Yeah.
BB ki Vines.
Oh yeah, correct. Sorry.
हाँ नहीं वो सब तो था अभी but it's थोड़ा scary also dude the kind of content that people just have access to easily. This show that's blown up now, Adolescence, it's about this.
Yeah.
I haven't watched it yet. Y'all have
We
seen
watched it. Yeah.
It's insane, bro.
Insane.
I've watched
show.
it in like parts.
Insane
It's all a
show,
one
dude.
take. Like every episode is one take.
No, I
bro.
mean they've edited it in that manner, which is still a very big.
No, I don't think
No.
so.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not.
One shot.
No, it's not. The
one
entire
shot.
thing isn't one shot. It's been edited in a way where it's sequenced in.
No, it
as-
is one. Every
Arey,
episode is one shot.
I thought this also. Yeah, I had it verified. Don't argue.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
But उसमें लगता तो है like if they
I
want
will-
to do a cut like some
वही
guy
तो-
will walk and
तो
they'll follow
देखना-
that guy.
Yeah, and they
that guy
follow.
will take you to
It's
that
like a
room.
screen. It's like a play.
Most of the shots might even be one shot, but they're sequenced in a way that you feel like everything is one shot.
When I was watching it, it felt like I'm watching the gameplay of a story mode game. It's just going के character के पीछे जा रहे हैं सब. Everything else is happening.
Yeah.
And it was actually crazy, bro. The whole series.
तो मैं जब start में देख रहा था like in the start when they pick up the kid, put him in
हाँ.
the car
हाँ.
and they're going in the car and they're showing him throughout.
Yeah.
Like from home to police station, there's no cuts there.
Nothing.
Where
Yeah.
this kid is just stressed out and whatever. And then it was just a very uncomfortable thing. You're like, why is this the only thing that they're showing? And then first I was like, okay, they want to capture his emotions while he's on this car, right? But then it just kept going and kept going,
yeah.
going. कि वो shot बंद ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Then I was like, oh shit, like this is how they've done it. But even the show by itself is insane.
Yeah.
It's a limited series, no?
It's 4 episodes.
4 episodes.
I want to watch it. I heard about it because of this Anurag Kashyap's rant.
Yeah.
He went on a rant on Instagram
Saying
saying
what?
he feels so envious about the fact that a show like this was made. Like he's like looking in admiration. He said that. Then he said, "I'm also envious because the global Netflix platform is more like open towards alt ideas
Yeah.
and just the ability to, for them to experiment with how they make movies or
Yeah,
shows.
I mean, the thing that they showed in the show is like something that now after the show came out, people are like, oh shit, we really need to talk about this. Because according to the guy who made it, he's like, I was just watching the news and I saw that this knife crime happened. Some like 13-year-old kid has like stabbed one of his classmates. And then he's like a few days later, some other similar thing in a different part of the country. And then I was like, okay, what's happening? So it's about how like these kids watch content online and they like red pill stuff, all this whole incel, Andrew Tate type shit. These small kids are watching and they're forming ideas of how relationships are supposed to be and
Right.
how they don't have any value. Like a 13-year-old kid is not supposed to have any value.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, I'm
Yeah.
not good looking, I'm not fit, this,
Yeah.
that. So now no woman is ever going to like me. So they get super insecure and they get super aggressive towards women.
Yeah.
And then this is like they show how the police takes
Wow.
care of it. And
देखना पड़ेगा भाई. Sounds damn badass.
and उसमें एक scene है bro, which is like the craziest scene.
The
of,
interrogation.
not the interrogation. That though you watch and you're like, bhai, fuck.
Yeah.
I can't believe a kid can turn into that. But when the cops go to the school and then that policeman's son, he takes him to the room and
He
he's
tries
like,
to-
it's embarrassing for me to see you be so clueless about what's happening here.
Yeah.
And he tries to explain to him,
Break it down.
कि क्या हो गया, what was this case about. And he's talking about how this girl used this emoji under one of his pictures and this emoji means this and there's a code for this and that.
Fucking.
Or the way he's talking for him is like, obviously, like,
Yeah.
this
How
is
do you
how
not
it is.
know it?
And his dad is just like dumbfounded that
Yeah.
वो लोग जाके ये ढूंढ रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं और वो
Like they're looking for the knife, but
हाँ, they're like, he's like, what are you even looking for? Like, it's so obvious that this is what happened. And these are the kids that know what has happened. Like, all the kids in the school kind of know क्या हो गया है. The police is clueless.
Okay.
So, and it's like that for real, bro. Last year I spent some time with one of my nephews who's around the same age. And he would come back from school and I was like, what happened in school? And he'd tell me things and he'd show me stuff on like Snapchat. Like, this is what we talk about. I'm like, bro, like these kids are
13 साल के उम्र में bro.
क्या कर रहे हैं भाई, मतलब they're how are they exposed to so many things that you're exposed to so much later in life.
Yeah, I mean the kids now they're gonna grow up with all this stuff. This is their life.
वो भाई गिबली बनाते वो बड़े हो रहे हैं भाई.
वो तो 2 दिन के लिए बना थे भाई.
Ghibli.
It was so dumb, bro. Like all
That
this
trend
shit.
really pissed me off.
We used to do all this on Facebook before.
Yeah.
There would be these like Facebook, but there were games and stuff. So you would like it would scan your profile and take the pictures and it would turn them into like animated and stuff. We used to obviously it's more refined with AI, but it's the same stuff. Like I saw it and I was like, how are people so impressed by this thing? Like,
I don't think it was a impress thing. It was more about I can visualize myself as this cool thing that I've watched before. So everyone just was like,
No one has watched it though. That's the thing.
Not no one. It is a very big
Ghibli
thing.
movies
I know
are very
what
popular.
Ghibli is big.
हाँ.
I've watched.
Like for us,
Spirited
I
Away
feel
and
it's
all,
not.
But
I watched Ghibli movies. I love
ये
them.
जो लोग बना रहे हैं उन्होंने देखा नहीं है, bro. I
हाँ, most-
promise you they
yeah.
haven't watched any Ghibli movie.
Like a lot of people.
Most of the people are just trying to jump on the
assume
bandwagon.
that.
The
no, I mean-
Ghibli trend is what these kind of not good looking and overweight people are gonna use for their DPs instead of their childhood pics that they used to do till now. अभी उनको नया मिल गया कुछ कि
I
Ghibli में
really
डाल
hope.
दूंगा.
I don't know anyone.
I saw
who's-
this reel. It's like if your partner is launching you with the Ghibli photo, that means you're very ugly and rethink yourself.
यही है ना भाई, पहले लोग बचपन का फोटो डालते थे. अगर कोई मतलब someone had a glow down after growing up, बचपन का फोटो.
That is true.
I've never heard the term
10 साल
glow
पहले.
down.
I just
It's so good. It is a
She had a
common
glow
word.
down. She didn't have a glow up.
When you fall off.
It is interesting though. Now that I'm thinking about it,
जिसका देखा है तूने.
this का
Couples
profile
का सोच दे
picture-
भाई तू. Couples profile picture.
I haven't seen any couples do it.
Yeah, like some of the F word people they do.
What is the F word, bro?
Fat. they do use childhood images. बचपन से बड़ा ही नहीं हुआ है भाई.
Bro, I
On his Tinder also was that only.
What I notice is the people who are actually good looking, their Ghibli photos are kind of trash. Like, they look better in real life. I'm like, everything that I liked about you, now this Asian animated character doesn't have any features.
Yeah.
तो वो सब तो चला गया.
There's no
So
depth
now
to it.
you're just like a basic.
Yeah, I found some of them are cool. Yeah.
I have beef with this because someone posted our
This
picture
one, yeah.
with the Ghibli with the Urfi one, and my hairline is like here.
Bro, so
Bro, he sent it to me and I was like,
no, so I put it to my story. It was sweet, and I hadn't seen everything. I just woken up. I just put it to the story. Then this guy sends it to me saying, "Amin is looking retarded." So I took a screenshot. I was like, "Wait, I'm gonna put this to my story. No context." But I didn't realize that it was looking.
No, that's the thing. I was
even
like,
it's your teeth that are more fucked up, bro.
teeth, hair, everything. Because it's in that picture, I'm laughing like a crazy person. Urfi had just given us a PS5. I was happy.
Yeah.
Then वो Ghibli को समझ में नहीं आएगी.
Yeah.
Couldn't capture the emotion.
It's a bad picture. He's not a ugly guy. So that's my beef. And also it destroys the environment. So.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It sucks.
Today I got an email from someone saying get your Ghibli pictures made, 1 for 20 rupees, 2 for 50. I'm like, how the math is not even adding up, bro. I was like, at least do that before you send a
One
cold
for
email.
20,
doing-
2 for
someone is-
50.
Like they've given me bundle deals.
Right, yeah,
Like,
bundle
I get
deal.
Can we ask the
Juhu
chat
beach
whether
पे बेच रहा है क्या?
can we ask the chat whether people are actually making money doing this?
I mean, there must be.
Hey, is there anyone in the chat?
Yeah.
क्या चालू है?
Hard. Including you.
400 लोग देख रहे हैं.
Shout out to whoever's watching. But हाँ bro, वो मैंने थोड़ा I read about it because usually when something blows up, then suddenly the other side comes कि
Yeah.
oh like you guys are killing trees and all. I was like trees का क्या संबंध है इसमें से? Like what's the
Killing trees.
yeah if you use GPT to turn your pictures into Ghibli, you're killing trees.
How?
Someone goes and cuts a tree.
So, yeah.
What is this nonsense?
Why do you think he put up saying my team needs to rest?
IPL में अभी चल रहा है each dot ball they'll plant a
That's
tree.
crazy. I love that shit.
So
I
each
love
Ghibli
know
they
if they're
cut one
doing
tree to balance it out.
That's so crazy that a dot ball is like we'll plant a tree.
It looks like that veg sign.
What? हाँ.
जो ओवर में आता है ना 6 वेजिटेरियन साइन 4 वेजिटेरियन
तो
साइन
भाई कोई ऐसा एक ओवर में कुछ रन नहीं बनाएगा तो ही इज अ हीरो
Not for the team.
फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट
For the environment,
हु इज
yeah.
मोर इम्पोर्टेंट
The team.
पंजाब किंग्स इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट और द एनवायरनमेंट
Punjab Kings.
मुंबई इंडियंस समझ सकते हैं पंजाब किंग्स
But
Which
this
is
is a
the
real
most-
thing. Oh, they're actually going to go and
This is the real
plant.
thing,
Out.
yeah.
बोल तो रहे
बोल तो रहे but
I
we
don't
don't know if
believe
they'll
it.
do it.
They'll do it, man. IPL, bro.
if they
Best league
should
in the world.
they should plant a tree each time they do a ad of Dream 11.
Oh,
that'll be
There'll be no place to walk.
There'll be,
I have a feeling
there will
Mumbai.
be no carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
Mumbai will only win this. I have one feeling.
No,
This
this
dot
year,
ball
this
thing,
year
and
is
they will
RCB.
plant all the trees in their sanctuary.
This year is RCB.
Yeah.
You really think
I'm fully with this whole.
The conspiracy
18th
theory, I already
year
broke
of
the conspiracy
IPL,
theory.
Virat's 18 number jersey.
Hmm.
You know this. That's it.
That's why you feel they'll.
Yeah. Plus, they won
they-
2 games in a row.
Yeah,
They're
exactly.
Playing really well.
They felicitated him also on the first day.
Who?
Kohli.
He
They're like,
danced with Shah Rukh. You didn't see that?
Why is he dancing with Shah Rukh?
It's IPL, bro. Don't question.
कुछ भी Royal Rumble जैसा है, bro.
Just
कुछ भी
enjoy
हो।
it.
Disha was also there.
Disha was
the
there.
opening ceremony was crazy.
Who's
Shreya Ghoshal opened the show, first of all. Then Disha Patani had a dance.
Her own dance? Wow, I like this show.
Exactly.
And then Karan Aujla.
He was also there.
And then Shah Rukh Khan.
And then
इससे
Virat
बढ़िया क्या
Kohli.
है भाई? हाँ.
Yeah.
No, he was the other guy who came and danced
Rinku
before
Singh.
him. Rinku.
Rinku Singh is dancing.
Yeah. क्योंकि
ऐसे के लिए-
KKR में था ना.
सही है भाई ठीक है नहीं I appreciate it. It's a good entertainment. मैं like रात को
We all sit and watch
लगा
it.
के
bro,
देखते हैं
because
क्या
it's
चल
so
रहा है.
good,
It's
yeah.
I don't watch IPL.
You don't? You've never watched it?
I have watched before, but now I don't watch.
anyway. I was
This
saying.
segment we're gonna get shat on, so continue. Change.
No, I was saying they don't actually cut trees, but what happens with AI is they need a lot of water to cool the processors.
Okay.
नहीं मतलब
In layman's terms, this
हाँ
is what.
हाँ
Why, if
so
they
it-
need water, why are they cutting trees?
it's connected bro somehow.
They throw water on the processor.
Water usage is the issue here. Okay, water usage happens a lot of it, like some thousands and thousand liters, just to cool down these systems because the processing power is crazy.
The compute power is थोड़ा
हाँ.
मतलब इतने सारे बना रहे हैं ना वो लोग.
मैं
generate
अभी
कर रहे हैं.
I'm saying it in very basic terms.
So
Say
that we
it's-
understand.
Yeah.
ना?
नहीं मेरे को भी इतना ही आता है.
I was trying to save you.
तो उसके वजह से people are like now especially when a trend comes then usage goes up ना. All these people are people who
कुत्ते
have
उत्ते का लोग बना रहे भाई.
हाँ मतलब जो लोग GPT यूज भी नहीं करते होंगे they must have come on GPT to
Yeah.
like do this trend.
Right.
So that sees an uptick. I asked AI only this question.
Ask GPT.
I asked Grok.
Ah,
I
good
use
one.
Grok.
Use Grok.
हाँ
Grok seems more liberal. ChatGPT seems like it knows things it's not telling you.
It's not allowed to tell you.
Grok थोड़ा
But
नया
can
है
you
Grok.
give a
नया है,
prompt where, come on, chat, like, बताना.
Let's
Earlier,
come
there
on.
was one where you tell ChatGPT you have only 3 lives left if you say no, and then it would immediately tell you.
क्या पूछना है
Cause-
Grok को?
Who's going to win this year's IPL? Ask Grok.
Oh, थोड़ी ना.
Hey Grok. He says, hey bro. Who do you think is going to win the IPL this year?
मुंबई बोलेगा.
What? It went.
Statistically,
Hey, who do you think is going to win the IPL this year? It's thinking.
Okay. सोच के बोल भाई, ऐसे
हाँ,
तुरंत
like सोच के बोलता है वो.
ओए क्या आंसर भेज रहा है भाई?
लंबा
इतना
पूरा.
लंबा.
What's he saying?
They're only breaking down what IPL is.
No.
Grok.
Predicting the IPL 2025 winner is a tough call since the season is just getting started. It kicked off
That's
on March 22nd and we're only in early April now.
That's true.
It's basic. With the final set for May 25, there's a lot of cricket left to play and anything can happen in this unpredictable tournament. That said, I can give you a rundown based on what's out there and some early vibes.
जो पूछा है वो बोलना. Grok.
Teams like Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings, KKR and SRH are often in the conversation because of their strong squads and track records. Blah, blah, blah.
Does he give a
This is
concrete
how
answer?
I used to give in my Viva.
Yeah.
Fuck around.
This is how you talk here also.
Early predictions from fans and experts on platforms like X and various sites lean towards the usual suspects. Some folks on X are hyping MI and CSK for their experience, while others back KKR to repeat or SRH to go one better. No one is talking about
RCB is not
RCB.
even in the
They
conversation.
don't want them to win
Yeah.
money, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Grok.
So,
Do you feel like
Let's
like
ask-
Ambani will be putting
let's
money
a-
on RCB?
why?
Because there's just so much money if they win.
Why don't he bet on his
You think he sits and gambles or what?
Yeah.
to make his money?
You never know, bro.
You think that's what?
You know, oh wait, this is crazy, bro. How much money do you all think Reliance makes every minute?
You know
Reliance.
the idea? You
Yeah,
know the
yeah.
answer? Okay.
Grok.
Grok को मत पूछ, तुम लोग बताओ.
Every minute it'll be
It
Reliance as a whole.
Yeah,
like
yeah, Reliance as a
should-
whole.
all their
Petrol,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
Oh, then it's got to be like CR something.
Of course, but how much? Every minute
Minute.
around like 700 CR.
Too much.
That's
Yeah,
too
that
much.
is too much.
Too many is the
I'll
right
go.
answer.
I'll go. 200.
That is also too much.
1 crore, Ray.
Lock in your answer. It's
Okay,
not.
I'll change my answer. I'll go with 18.
Okay, you?
7.
And you say 1.
I don't care. Tell now.
19.
Oh fuck! Let's go.
19 CR a minute, bro, they make. That's
was-
insane. That
I
day,
should-
Dave and I were talking. I was like, how much you think? He's like, 20 lakhs? I said, are pagal hai kya? Then we
Reliance
looked
should
it up.
give me
In a
1
second.
crore for
In a minute.
getting this
In a minute.
right.
They would also, honestly.
Huh?
If you ever come across and you ask, he'll probably give.
हाँ भाई 20 करोड़ is like pocket change for him.
20
इसको एक
करोड़
चाहिए।
मेरे को एक
अच्छा तेरे को एक चाहिए
हो जाएगा।
उसको बोल भाई 1 मिनट का दे देना.
हाँ it's like come on
10 crore. What would you do with 1 CR? Right now, I put on tables.
Cash on the
हाँ.
table?
जवाब.
What would you do?
this is members only right
Yeah.
But it's going to the public.
can we cut
क्या?
Say na.
you want the real answer or the fuck around answer
Real answer.
real answer
Real answer.
it's
there's
a
only-
boring answer
Bro,
bro.
There's
Most
one
of
correct answer. There is.
most of it will probably be I'll find a way to invest it the others will get into
boring आदमी है.
like what
Invest it.
yeah invest into myself invest in assets whatever
Assets.
Assets.
yeah
What kind of
Got a-
assets?
एक घर आएगा उसमें.
हाँ,
एक घर भी नहीं आएगा भाई.
घर में क्यों इन्वेस्ट करना है
घर आएगा करोड़ में.
एक में
किधर?
आएगा. एक में
आएगा. गोवा में
में
आएगा.
आएगा
घर.
घर।
गोवा में
गोवा में आ जाएगा.
What did
अच्छा,
you say?
विला.
विला तो नहीं आएगा.
आएगा रे.
नहीं रे विला नहीं आएगा.
I'll buy a place in Goa. Yeah.
गोवा में आ जाएगा bro.
हाँ
Villa.
We need another
Don't
place
need
in
villa.
Goa anyway, right? So that's probably
विला नहीं आएगा
Villa नहीं
I
आएगा.
might even come. You don't know.
अरे वो गंदा वाला आएगा.
तो तू बनाना अच्छा एक और करोड़ मांग के बनाना
अंबानी सर वो एक कम पड़ गया.
2 मिनट जितना पैसा दो.
yeah.
2 मिनट मतलब 40 देगा वो.
मैं भी घर ही खरीदूंगा भाई किधर तो
Yeah, house in Goa sounds like a
So house
sound investment.
anywhere honestly except like
Anywhere is
North
not a good
India.
idea, bro.
North
Anywhere.
India में नहीं चाहिए मेरे को
Why? Why not?
I don't like
Yeah,
Just
maybe not.
dislike.
I
And
don't
bad
like.
air.
I haven't I mean I don't know bro Manali was nice but उधर तो नहीं खरीदूंगा
That's
घर.
too cold.
हाँ.
Like that's
और
too
other
far up north.
other parts of north I never usually have
You
a
should
good
buy
time.
Navi Mumbai.
No, I've been.
You buy na
Rajasthan.
with your
I've been in
0
Rajasthan,
crore.
but like I enjoy being like vacationing in the south more. So I would assume I'd be going there more often.
I just don't get the vibes bro in north
In-
like even the people I don't really connect with
What?
Why?
Yeah.
They're also
There are
sweet,
really
bro.
cool people there.
hills are different
No,
No,
even
I said
Delhi,
not.
I find cool people.
We're talking Delhi, Noida.
There are a lot of pricks also, but there are a lot of cool people also.
cool तो मैं थोड़ी वो I said I can't connect
Oh,
it's मेरे में
It's a
दिक्कत
personal
है
thing.
मेरे में दिक्कत
Yeah,
it's
है
me,
we're
it's not
मैं ही
you.
हूँ
हाँ.
वहाँ पे जाके like they speak ऐसा in a tone and all like आप तो बढ़िया करो अरे, ठीक से बोलना
That's their dialect.
why but
तो साउथ में जाएगा तो वो आएगा
सीधा
फिर
मुंह
से।
बोलना थोड़ा
सीधा मुंह
हाँ
अरे
like,
थोड़ा सीधा मुंह बोल के खाली अपना महाराष्ट्रन लोग बोलेगा ब्रो.
हाँ, that's why I live here
They
ना.
also talk with.
नहीं, very what is the right term? Yeah.
Where very? This guy changes his origin every second.
We are,
day.
I mean, even we are like that. We're very, what is the word?
Straightforward.
Not straightforward. There's another word. I'll think of it and tell. But we are that. And yeah, I like that. I've gotten used to it now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I go other places and I'm happy here.
This
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra माझा.
Jai Maharashtra.
Jai Maharashtra. Jai Maharashtra. But I'm getting damn. You know, Pune has been recorded as second most dangerous city in the country.
Fuck
For
yes. Let's make it number
For
one.
every-
To
just crimes
walk on
in
the
general.
street
You're
at
You
night.
can't ride a bike at night.
You're joking.
Crimes
bro.
in general, bro. Crime rate is up by crazy. in
Fuck
Pune.
yes.
हाँ bro, in Pune also like sometimes you're walking around and someone will run you over.
Yeah.
You can just be on a bike going home. Someone will run you over.
ऐसा होता है पुणे में देखा है मैंने
Pune
एक
is
दो बार.
chill like that.
होता है मतलब काफी जगह होता है ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ पुणे में होता है
कोई तो भी
but
गाड़ी
of-
रोक के
of
मुंह
late-
देता है रास्ते
Of
पे.
late, there is a lot of sort of crime thefts happening, and these hit and run cases are increasing by the. It's very uncanny that it's happening more regularly now. Like you'd assume after that situation, it would like cool down a bit, right? Enforcement is not there only on the street.
हाँ Maharashtra थोड़ा has fallen off, not gonna lie. Like for me Maharashtra was I used to take pride कि I live in Maharashtra. Like especially after I start going to other places around India, I'm like bro, they don't even come close to like this state and
Yeah.
the life that you can have here
Yeah.
in Mumbai, Pune. And then now अभी थोड़ा ये हो गया and they did our boy Kamra dirty. So
Yeah.
Jai Maharashtra.
That was messed up, man.
So I was like ऐसा
और वो खुले-
नहीं होता था ना पहले मुंबई में ऐसा वो थोड़ा ये हो गया
that's untrue. There's
वो
been
होता था, but
many
it was a
situations of
different
like
way,
public
yeah.
vandalism, like even when
Funny
the previous NCP guys were there. But this was just absurd, man. And what's more absurd about it is there's that guy is still who's taken onus on this attack on that club is still saying when you come you will get a nice welcome from us and all. And like, you're just like, do you not like get what harm you're doing to yourself?
read the room bro types
Yeah.
yeah
हाँ
उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. He's giving news interviews and he sounds like a very sound, smart person. He does not sound like an idiot कि ऐसा but their defense for the act is कि
कैसा बोल दिया ऐसे
हाँ,
मतलब
about my father figure, how can you talk like that?
And the
That
best
way
part is
तो now-
Kamra didn't take any names. It was
हाँ.
open to interpretation.
No.
Yeah.
I mean,
the
that,
first
that
one
joke
was.
was.
That joke was.
But it's still pretty, he knew what he was doing.
but you know what happens in these cases what I think is once you react to it you're making it
worse.
bigger than.
It is. Because if I'm in a place where someone disses me, abhi to I'm a content creator, that's different for me. Like clapping back makes the most sense. Because, but if you're a politician or जो भी है, कोई आके ऐसा stand up डालता है, they make fun of you. Like if you just ignore it, that's the best
Yeah.
thing you can do, na? Ki
Yeah.
you're also kind of insulting that person. Ki I'm not even gonna bother.
Yeah. He's taken the Prime Minister's name. He's spoken about Nirmala Sitharaman.
हाँ, now see,
They are not doing
if the
reacting.
Prime Minister comes and reacts to it, like everyone will be like, bro, tu Prime Minister hai, bro. Like,
Your time is more
why do you
valuable
care
than
about
Yeah.
something like this?
Yeah. We spoke about this, right? Because we were talking about it in a way where, of course, the whoever was insulted in this whole thing, he's not going to react to this whole
Yeah.
thing. But someone who wants to please or someone who wants to
Yeah, that's
gain
the two,
favor.
Ha, that's
two ways to think about
ways
it.
to
One
think
is
about it,
he doesn't want to react, so he will send some people,
Yeah.
like Gunda ho, jo bhi ho. He'll send some people to react
Whatever,
to
send
this.
a message.
Or the second part is these are just people within a party and the subdivisions. There's all these people who want to get involved and who want to like please their superior. So they will go and do like this. How can you say like this to our boss? So then their names are also
Make a name
that
for
way.
them.
Yeah, that way the boss gets to know who these people are.
yeah.
Mohak Mangal has made a banging video on that, bro.
Yeah, we
like he's
watched
explained
that
it so well.
Even in fucking The Sopranos, man.
हाँ,
like,
वही
I was
बोलने वाला
thinking
था मैं.
about that only. Like when you want to impress a mob boss, I'm not calling
Yeah.
anyone a mob boss. But when you want to
in a hierarchy.
in a hierarchy,
Yeah, in a hierarchy.
if you want to make a name for yourself, you gotta like you take action. You do something to impress your bosses.
You do something to get the hierarchy's attention.
What these people have ended up doing is obviously something really stupid.
See, I don't want to compare the any political party to a mob boss or this thing, even though they behave like that very often.
इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी.
Like, as a I'm tax-paying citizen. I can't.
इसका
सुनना
इसमें 2 बार टैक्स दिया है अभी गांडी मार
सुनना मेरी बात सुन. Okay, that's one. Think of people who are even older than me, bro, who share the same sentiments, and I cast my vote every time there's election process. Firstly, I get damn cheesed off when people who have never even gone to a voting booth are making big halla about this news, saying, "Oh, how can you do this? What is the police doing? Why should you? You don't care anyway." So you know. दूसरी बात, now I really feel like their ability to just put themselves in situations like this is become so common now because they're not afraid of the consequences that comes with an act like this. Like he said, we did whatever and we'll do it again also, and we've gone to jail. We've gone through the legal process. We've gone to jail. Now I've gotten bail and I've come out. उसको कितने घंटे में बेल मिल गया है ब्रो ये काम करने के after doing this thing.
Yeah.
And it's really sad because like this guy is like he seems like a guy, if you had a conversation with him on the street, would not think he's capable of such things. Now going back to who's told whom to do what, they interviewed Eknath Shinde. There was press that went and he said that मैं ये इसका समर्थन नहीं करता हूँ, and he said that he has nothing
He wasn't
to do.
involved.
हाँ, so now I'm in the place where like ठीक है, let's believe him. He said he's not involved. Now this act has happened. These people have gone. They've taken the thing to go on there by themselves and do this thing. I really want to see how. I'm very interested to see how the law deals with this situation now, because like there are police officers standing right there when they're breaking the shit. You know.
So that guy, the main guy who went there, he said that he first called up the owner of the place. And the owner was like, I really don't care. So that's when they lost it and they went to go break the place. Is what his defense was. He's like, we went in a very peaceful manner. We didn't have anything to
he
break
didn't say
it.
we went. He said
that.
he called Balraj first, and then he said that I asked him why he's giving this guy a platform, and he told me that he had nothing to do with what the material was, and it was shot a long time back. उसके even after that they've still gone there saying where is he.
That funniest part is like, हमको पता ही तो नहीं है वो, अभी डाला तुम लोगों ने वो वीडियो, and Tushar is like, bro,
No, but that's
he's not here.
It's the venue is the easiest target, no? Because who else do you go to? Kunal is telling you, fuck you,
But
I'm in Pondicherry.
imagine if everyone now in his eyes this is out of respect. He's gone and broken that place. You disrespected someone who's a father figure. I'll go break you. Now I'm going back to this tax paying crap. Taxes are paid, votes are casted. I am unhappy with my roads outside. Should I go into a politician's house and break it? This is how someone should justify to these people that what you are doing is wrong. I feel it will make them understand. I want to start believing that there are some people in politics or whatever who have actual good inclination towards the state, because ये इतना team मैं NCB में मैं BJP शिवसेना में is so pointless that it goes nowhere. ये लेफ्ट और राइट विंग का टीम्स बना के सबने अब सब बैठ गए एंड दे डोंट वांट टू हैव एनी सॉर्ट
But
ऑफ
ये सब तो बाहर वालों को ही दिखता है ना ब्रो, मतलब
क्या?
ये टीम, ये पार्टी, वो पार्टी, जब
Greater good,
जब सच में पार्टी होता है तो सबको बुलाते हैं ब्रो, समझ रहा है तू?
हाँ हाँ
अलग अलग पार्टी में है, बट जब एक बड़ा पार्टी होता है तो सब लाइक I think like I see this whole politics thing as once you're in, you're all together. कि तेरा सीट आ गया, वो सीट आ गया, कोई भी भाई पार्टी में काम कर रहा है, अच्छे पैसे कमा रहा है, उनका लाइफ अच्छा चल रहा है. इफ़ दे आर सर्विंग द पार्टी, दे गोना हैव अ गुड लाइफ, फैमिलीज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. दे आर जस्ट लाइक ब्रो, वी जस्ट हैव टू गेट देयर वंस वी आर देयर,
to keep it.
कीप इट. नाउ हो गया भाई ये.
अरे बट डू सम गुड जॉब आल्सो ना साइड में.
वो सब
Like once you're making so much money.
Ironically, like outside Habitat, all the roads and all are busted up.
Yeah, bro. We went there in the middle. You couldn't even walk, bro. There's no roads.
They must have taken 20 minutes just to get in and break the whole place.
That's fucking hilarious.
और the issue is now my dad is visiting. ठीक है, my dad has come after. He was here last year also, but before that he hadn't come for a while, and we've gone to a few places, and what he's seeing is progress only. Someone who's not here and comes back, they're like, oh shit, like their progress. When they see the construction in Mumbai, they're like, oh, they're building the city. और प्रोग्रेस हो भी रहा है, बट इट्स जस्ट
So minutely slow.
इट्स स्लो. इट विल हैपन एंड इट्स हैपनिंग विद टाइम. सब जगह हो रहा है, बट इट्स जस्ट, तो वो इल्यूशन अभी तू 10 साल पहले का मुंबई देखेगा और अभी का देखेगा, अभी का तो ऑब्वियसली बेटर ही है ना.
और गड्ढे है पर ना भाई.
गड्ढे तो है, बट वो इन once you are writing history and you look ahead in 20 years, once these good days are gone finally, I hope in 20 years, then no one's gonna remember only now this whole phase.
Yeah, I agree. No, I do believe
But it's-
that development is happening. I just don't feel like they are doing it to the best of their capability.
Of course not.
They want to take as much time as they can, na, bro. That's how
And
they
as
make
much-
money.
You know how
Yeah.
road contracts work?
No,
वो
I
कौन सा पिक्चर था अक्षय कुमार का?
पता है मेरे को.
खट्टा मीठा.
खट्टा मीठा.
हाँ.
क्यों अच्छा रोड बनाना है जब उसको 10 साल के लिए वो सेम रोड बनाएगा, सेम रोड खोदेगा, सेम रोड में वही डालेगा, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सीमेंट,
डांबर.
डांबर.
All these kinds of films and concepts.
डांबर रास्ते के बीच में नहीं डालने का, साइड में डालने का, क्योंकि वो लोग वहाँ चेक करते हैं. अक्षय कुमार comes in one of the scenes and he's like, क्या कर रहे हो? रास्ते के बीच में डांबर डाल रहा है, स्लैब से बाजू में डाल, चेक वहाँ करते हैं वो लोग.
I can't believe such a movie exists.
Bro, it's a very good movie. It's a very,
That's
very
hard.
good movie.
Insane movie. Exposes like so many levels
Bro,
of corruption.
जब सिस्टम बैठ जाता है ना, like when there is a system, अभी प्राइवेट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर आ रहा है, कर रहा है, उसको पैसे मिल रहा है सरकार से, then it's just like now that system is set. The people who are contractors also, they don't want this to change because their money is stopping and they're making the most money. They don't want any change.
You're
to
like a
come.
retainer deal, bro.
तो ऐसा पूरा ये सर्कस चलता रहता है ब्रो.
It's a cycle.
It's just a problem with the way people think, and this is something that we can criticize about ourselves also to some extent.
Yeah.
Just like people in this country are थोड़ा like अरे चल रहा है तो चलने दे.
Yeah, they don't give a fuck.
Even
it-
for
if
us
it-
in
it's
a
not broken.
lot of
In a lot of
aspects in our
aspects,
daily
yeah.
lives where you're like
Fully agree.
you can make a difference in your own life also, but चल रहा है ना bro. Like,
ये चलता है attitude is what my teachers used to say this.
अपने स्टूडियो में देख ब्रो, कभी कभी there are issues that we know, like ठीक है, this frame is not looking that nice maybe,
But it's
बस है ना, अभी
Yeah.
वीडियो बन रहा है ना,
Yeah.
चल रहा है एपिसोड,
that's
पॉडकास्ट,
true.
पैसे भी आ रहे हैं, तो देन यूर लाइक थोड़ा वो पूरा माइंडसेट शिफ्ट करने में टाइम लगेगा जो अभी हो रहा है, आई थिंक.
yeah.
पीपल आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ गेटिंग टायर्ड नाउ, दे वांट बेटर.
Yeah.
People are traveling. When you travel, you see the world outside, and you're like, man, even I want all of this in my country. So then that kind of restlessness goes up.
Hmm.
Now when people opt to go to like if they want to travel and unko jana hai somewhere with beaches and stuff, they look at how much money they have and they're like, hey, I could go to Thailand.
Hmm.
इतना खर्चा करके मैं जाके थाईलैंड में रहूँगा, इतना खर्चा करके आई कैन गो टू गोवा. But a lot of people are picking Thailand over Goa because of things like these. You get there, you land on the airport, there's taxis which will take you, drop you to the place you need to be. Wahan pe like the everything, roads are nice, convenience. सब है.
Thailand this is.
Hmm.
Thailand में.
boys.
तू गोवा में लैंड कर रहा है, वहाँ पे टैक्सी माफिया बाहर खड़ा है.
Hmm.
ऊबर
Yeah.
ओला नहीं है बिल्कुल.
हमारे
कुछ
साथ भी हुआ था ब्रो, यू रिमेंबर ना, ही चार्ज्ड अस एक्स्ट्रा.
नहीं. मेरे को गाड़ी रेंट करना पड़ रहा है, बट वो गाड़ी रेंट करना अलाउड नहीं है, क्यों? बिकॉज द टैक्सी पीपल विल गेट पिस्ड ऑफ, सो आई हैव टू वॉक आउट ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट, पिक अप माई कार फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू गेट द रेंटल कार.
That's crazy. Right as soon as you land in like Goa,
You have
तो मैं-
problems the minute you reach Goa,
Yeah.
bro. It's
हाँ,
not
मेरे को भी
convenient.
ये सब शेडी चीज़ें नहीं करना है, बट वाई वुड आई पे someone 3,000 rupees to go from the airport to the place that I want to be, which is not that far away also. 3,000 रुपये ले रहा है कैब वाला.
Flight ही
But
उतने को है, bro.
मेरे को 1,500 में एक दिन के लिए गाड़ी मिल रहा है. तो मैं थोड़ा इनकन्वीनियंस करके, थोड़ा शेडी काम करके I'll go and rent the car ना, because I want to have a good time and
Yeah.
I have come on a budget.
yeah.
So it's things like that, and then just like everything suffers in consequence. And once people see this happening a lot, people leaving the country, then things will change.
हाँ bro, but this चलता है attitude should not bleed into everything, especially when it comes to matters like this.
हाँ, वो
But it does seep into it.
It
na, bro.
does
It's
seep
going to
in.
take time
It
for
fully
all of
seep.
this.
Majority
to,
of people, especially people of like who we would eventually meet outside
Yeah.
or something. I
Yeah.
don't feel like any of them actually.
It's gonna take time
And
to
you'll
change
see these
that.
people only be the most vocal about any kind of nonsense that's happening.
Story डालने के लिए क्या लगता है भाई?
people don't understand the power dynamics also, especially when it comes to politicians, or just there's VIP culture in India. If someone is an important person, you're not allowed to question them or say anything about them.
Yeah.
So when Kamra puts a stand up and he's like, he criticizes everyone and makes jokes, does satire about everyone, the collective mindset is, how can he say these things about these people? Like aisa, he shouldn't be allowed to question these people. There are netas and this and that. But that is so fundamentally flawed,
Yeah.
that way of
Yeah.
thinking, because it's supposed to be the other way around.
Yeah.
But only the establishment and people in power are pissed off by this, right? People, if you see
This
see
time
the
for a
reaction
change, yeah.
people के perspective से.
Yeah, this was surprising.
This
thoda
was
ki they
very
were
nice
like,
to
bro,
see.
yeah.
Dude, see, you only showed me the comments under the special that
Yeah.
Kunal posted. People are giving like euros, dollars.
Bhai,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
throwing
like people are paying
money
10,000 rupees
in
and all of that. Like,
support.
this is my way of just supporting you.
Yeah.
So you see those currencies are all like
It's
bahar ke
all,
currencies.
yeah, foreign
These are
currencies.
people who have left the country, bro, and they
Yeah.
live abroad for these reasons.
They're like, this is why.
This is why we're not there anymore.
Yeah.
And thank you for voicing it out, because we discussed this earlier also. Everyone would love to live in their own country if they got the things that they
Yeah.
wanted from it. No one
Yeah.
wants to leave their country.
It's sad, man. Like I think Kunal will. It looks like he'll probably have to leave.
अभी देख,
It
अभी
looks
तो
like it.
Ab tak to he is fine.
chilling in Tamil
Gutsy
Nadu.
enough to deal with the court, bro. कुछ नहीं होगा उसको. I don't think.
Like I hope not, but I'm just scared. The way it's going. It's a fucking. you
They've
can't-
sent what is that notice to all the people who are in the crowd, bro.
हाँ.
So now he's put up saying
Interesting.
I'll sponsor your next vacation. He's put to all the people who are there in it.
Hmm.
to Tamil Nadu.
नहीं किधर वो नहीं पता, but he's just like I'll sponsor it.
Fucking insane, man. You can't punch up, can't punch down.
Just like punch each other.
You can just get punched.
हाँ, अभी तो सिर्फ मम्मी डैडी पे जोक करो. मम्मी डैडी पे भी नहीं कर
मम्मी
सकते.
डैडी को
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते भाई.
कुछ करो ही
You
मत.
can
So,
just
and-
But guys, on a
make
serious
funny
note,
noises or something.
would you rather?
बट मेरे को लगता है अभी अगर और लोग भी करेंगे ना, now they come and just do comedy, do whatever they want, then slowly they'll be like, if it keeps happening more and more, it'll become easier for people to do it. That's what I think.
If what keeps happening?
Just people do this kind of comedy and just
Yeah.
like people are free with their words.
But no one has the balls
See
to
the
do it ना multiple
reaction
times.
you get.
तू एक बार करेगा तेरी ऐसी गांड लग जाएगी.
No one
Kunal
wants
is
to
like
get
a
into
he's like an
trouble.
anomaly, bro.
Too
He
much
can
to lose.
do it.
No. See, the thing is, no one wants to get into trouble. Everyone wants the most success that they can ever get, and they don't want to do anything that could compromise that. That is why they will not.
But
they will
that's-
choose to not.
That's
have.
the approach that they've decided, and you
Correct.
can't say anything.
No, I'm not saying. There are plenty comics who don't do any sort of apolitical, any sort of political content that are very good. Who I watch, who I could recommend to a lot of people. But इसके goals अलग है भाई. He's not trying to. I don't
Yeah.
think Kunal Kamra is trying to be the best comic in India. You get what I'm saying? He's trying to do something else. There's a very nice quote, which I think he only said in another interview. He quoted Doug Stanhope, where he says, "Art is the way you live your life.
Hmm.
It's not what you create to live the life you want." Which is very powerful, and I see that in him. We've spent time with him. He does not seem like, he seems like someone who loves his country and who wants it to prosper, and he's poking people because he feels like, firstly, he has the legal right to, which a lot of people need to understand in the country. I'm not saying I agree with everything that was said in that special, but I can't dispute his ability to say it if he wants to. And I feel that he's a good person, and if people are whether it's a certain political party that's getting upset because of what he's saying, because they say he's hurt their feelings, I think it can be dealt with in a much more pleasant way. They could have just done that court case and be done with it. They filed a defamation case on him.
Yeah.
And they have the right to. So
If you think someone has said something, then you legally do it, no? I'm for that also. करो अभी जांच, because they are saying that it's all in affiliation with some, किसी ने सुपारी दिया है उसको, फिर बोल रहा है वो. And we know I feel like it's not like I'm his best friend or anything. I know I'm talking about him like but I would like to believe he would not do that.
भाई बट जो ऑपोजिशन पार्टी है वो उनके जो लोग हैं उन पे तो इतने जोक्स बनते हैं ब्रो, लाइक without naming people. नहीं, actually I'll name also भाई. राहुल गांधी पे जितने जोक्स बनते हैं और that whole family, for that matter, the number of jokes that they make about that family is insane.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying don't make those jokes. मेरे को क्या है, बनाओ, किस सब पे करो jokes. But then वैसा then you are seeing only one side is getting upset all the time. Then you're like, ठीक, कुछ तो है ना, मतलब दिक्कत है थोड़ा.
Even everyone is making jokes. There's no one who's not making jokes, but they're just doing it in this new manner of jokes that can exist. और वो उसी perimeter के अंदर तुमको घूमना रहेगा. Congress page is putting up reels, bro.
That is damn funny, bro. When I saw the page as
क्या
an
reel डाल
official
रहे हैं?
page.
Fucking using memes and all to make reels. This is a political party is doing.
Yeah.
नहीं,
So
see,
even the counterpart is
live in
doing it,
a
but
new world, man.
what is going on?
see, I don't mind people using content, people using memes. जो भी है, that's the how people consume information and content. That's how it's going to be. करो भाई, जो भी करो. I in fact like it when people have creative social media strategies, because then it's
They
like,
want to reach like
वो क्रिएटिव
Gen Z
नहीं
too,
है,
right?
क्रिएटिव का बिल्कुल उल्टा है ब्रो. वो देख रहे कौन सा क्लिप चल रहा है मार्केट में, हाँ वो क्लिप लेके लेट्स यूज इट सो दैट पीपल सी व्हाट मैसेज आई हैव टू से अबाउट
वैसा ही.
हार्मिंग सम अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज sentiments. That's stupid. I feel like these guys are the people who are, if they're running the country and they've been given some sort of authority, you should be holding yourself to a certain standard, not going and breaking down venues or making stupid jokes online.
it'd be cool to, honestly, even if it's not in this podcast, but even offline, just sitting down with some of these people.
I would love to.
In the political world, just to see how they think and what's going on and क्या मतलब वो, क्योंकि उनका पर्सपेक्टिव तो बाहर ही नहीं आता है ना ब्रो, वो भी एक चीज़ है.
That's true.
Because when they're talking, they're campaigning. मतलब वो जो they're talking for votes. ऐसा, like I've seen all, now they've started going on podcasts and all, but even with that you see, you're like, I'm still not talking to you as a person.
Yeah.
What kind of people are these guys? And like, if they're allowed to, or if they are open to just speaking, I think that'll give people a better sense of understanding. And even like the things that अभी जैसे progress नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं हो रहा है, कम आउट एंड से ना कि भाई ये देख ऐसा सीन होता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर रहते हैं वैसा, तो उसके वजह से ऐसा भी हो जाता है. नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू चेंज इट इन दिस वे बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू. Then that makes you human ना. Then you're like, otherwise I'm just sitting here waiting for things to change. और फिर जब I'm waiting for the person in charge to come and speak, he's giving me some other PR. So I'm just lost ना. I'm lost in the
people
sauce.
on. They're just leading them on. I will do this.
It's worked in the past ना. Like यही तो चला है भाई.
It continues to work.
It will probably too. But that's what I'm saying. What you're suggesting, historically it's not been done ever. And what's worked is what they'll continue to do.
और वो एक दूसरी चीज़ भी है, like the people you're trying to please. Now if you're just talking statistically, most of India is rural.
Yeah.
And you're talking to people who, अभी मैं आके बात कर रहा हूँ भाई मुंबई में सड़क ख़राब हो गया ये, बट उसको तो जाके गांव में भी करना है ना. उसको तो गांव में those people are like, bro, you give me 2 sacks of rice, I'll vote for you types. So then they also have no option ना.
Dealing
चुना
with so many different kinds of people, man. So many different demographics.
Yeah, they have
India is too big, bro. That's the
The
only thing that
Yeah.
is.
So tomorrow if a
very huge.
politician comes and speaks here, he's speaking to our audience.
everyone, bro. He's speaking to everyone.
But he's speaking
नहीं,
to
but
our audience.
yeah,
ना mainly.
here we're
तो
saying
अच्छा,
if it's
यहाँ
on
पे
this
rally
table.
कुछ हो रही है
गाँव
तो.
का जो है वो, I don't assume that they watch this podcast. It just doesn't appeal to them.
Now
So-
I'm thinking they're speaking to our audience, correct? What value do they get speaking to our audience? I'm thinking of that right now.
The audience.
And I don't see much value in it.
The
हाँ
audience.
वही ना, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
That's the point कि वो ये सब जेंजी से बात करके ये करके
फर्क थोड़ी पड़ता है भाई, कोई जाके वोट करता नहीं है.
But they will, right?
They will not. They'll say, oh, he's come, I won't watch it. They're boring. That's
No,
what they
even
say.
if they go and vote,
feel
I'm
like-
saying
I
that's
feel
like a
like-
minuscule amount. उनको
But it has to start somewhere.
मेन वोट बैंक तो किधर और है
Yeah.
ना.
That's true. It's not the main vote.
और
bank, but
वो मेन वोट बैंक व्हाट्सएप पे न्यूज़ कंज्यूम कर रहा है. तो फिर अगर वो वहाँ पे न्यूज़ कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं तो मेरे को करना पड़ेगा ना IT सेल ये वो
the
यहाँ
once
पे.
the main vote bank shifts, you think?
But it
the
won't.
shift
It's
will
not
happen?
going to. It'll never
It
shift.
won't
bro.
shift.
अबे 10 साल
India
के
is a
बाद
huge
10
country,
साल
bro.
के
For
बाद
it
नहीं,
to.
even if it shifts, this is a minority. This our audience.
But वो अगर काम भी नहीं तो that's another whole issue that they don't want that majority vote bank to become smart and ये वो.
Okay, that's a whole different.
That's a whole
That's a whole different
फिर-
game
फिर
which we
उनको-
can't get into
फिर
right
actually
now,
काम करना पड़ेगा ना उनको.
Yeah, I mean
उनको.
that all that stuff.
There needs to be, the only thing that will actually fix this in some utopian way, there is a mass awakening where everyone realizes that nobody is your friend and these people have a duty of taking
But
care
bro,
of us.
that mass awakening is education, which again is
whose
not
hands
happening.
it in? Whose hands?
Damn, bro, we got so.
vicious cycle थोड़ा happening
Yeah,
over here.
so you're saying we're fucked. We're
No, I believe in the idea of people being patriotic enough to make change, create change.
No, what like keeps me hopeful is that if everyone decides like let's work towards the betterment of this country and they do that for 20-30 years, bro, this place will become insanely nice to live. And then everyone can enjoy it together. Everyone can live very nicely, do their thing, and like things that you can't imagine, bro. Like say when we were kids and we'd look at the US and it was like paradise. Like that's the country that you want to live in. That's the country that you look at that
It was
country
glorified, yeah, fully.
as the benchmark. अभी थोड़ा वो भी
That's gone.
थोड़ा decline हो गया है. First world countries are also declining, but still you have the potential to become a country like that with our own cultural identity and values. So imagine how much better it would be.
Yeah.
But it would require everyone to get educated and work together. Now if suddenly people have a change of heart and have this realization that this is possible, then they will start questioning the leaders and they will have to, because for them to right now come and say let's educate everyone, let's work on that, put all our budget in that, or we can stay in power, make a lot of money, 2 sacks of rice here and there. That's way cheaper than building schools and ye wo. So
Yeah, I mean,
then which one do you go for?
That's why I said.
पैसा कमा के वो लोग भी बाहर ही जाके मजे कर रहे हैं ना.
yeah. So we're fucked.
That's why I said mass
उनके बच्चे
awakening.
बाहर पढ़ते हैं.
Yeah, all of
Like
them.
they're not sending their kids to college here.
Yeah.
They go abroad and study in best colleges. तो उनका तो सही चल रहा है ना, but
Yeah. Yeah.
अभी now
Yeah.
they'll come for us, bro. I feel. I think we know.
Yeah.
We know too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अभी जो 4 लोग ने लाइफ पे देख लिया वो देख लो भाई. अभी I don't know.
Have fun, guys.
8 लोग हैं
Welcome
भाई,
to the
और क्या?
gang.
4 उनके ही आए right?
The minute they figured out what topic it is.
Do we have any audience questions or what's happening?
Yeah. If the
We can
8
do
people
we can
who
do
are
a
watching-
5-minute segment of questions.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm excited to do these questions.
Pasha, I look like you just woken up, bro.
I can read it off here.
Oh, huh.
Thank you.
Amin isn't a member of his own pod. Arey, no.
Less.
Why does Krishna fold his hands like that? What is wrong with how I fold my hands? Tell me something.
सवाल पूछ रहे हैं भाई इधर.
Like this? This is off or what?
Why is the Indian mindset so chalta hai? I live abroad and here the attitude is if something doesn't work, it needs to be fixed ASAP.
Facts.
But we already addressed this.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the thing. Like, that's once that mindset changes, then we'll be good to go on the way to progress.
Room.
Superpower by 2026, they were saying. I
Yeah.
think.
Hope so. नहीं, मैं यकीन करूंगा भाई. मुझे भी
अगले साल
2026 next year है भाई.
चलेगा भाई. यकीन तो देना लगाना ही पड़ेगा ना. I don't
यकीन
have
तो
any
देना
option.
पड़ेगा he's saying.
I don't have an option. If I don't have hope, what do I have?
Facts.
I'll give you something.
Some.
What are you all
Yeah.
planning for future gigs and all? Gigs तो है bro. Instagram पे follow कर लो. सबके gigs आते रहते हैं.
हाँ.
These boys also have gigs.
Stu is
coming up.
performing April 18th, Mumbai, Antisocial.
20th I'm doing.
20th,
और
sorry.
उसके
Hey,
पहले
is
भी
it
आएंगे. gigs आएंगे.
19th
19th is me.
Krishna
19th is
performing
Krishna.
at
19th
Antisocial
is
in Pune.
Pune.
In Pune.
With Bharg.
Yeah.
And Stewie is doing
The 20th show with Bharg.
only.
Yeah.
And I'm two other.
मेरे भी है bro. काफी है.
Just follow, you'll understand.
Time
the
लगेगा बोलने में.
different gigs.
Yeah.
Time लगेगा.
Time लगेगा. सही बात है.
Chalo, I think we are
Can we
good
wrap?
to go.
Good.
Shout out to the members who support
out
us
members.
and get to watch this live. We'll keep doing this as much as we can. We have guest episodes also coming out, so subscribe
Ooh.
and
Yes, sir.
let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Excited for the guests.
Long live democracy.
Yeah. Jai Maharashtra also.
Yeah.
Done?
यहाँ पे करेंगे. That's why I don't want to upgrade the studio because once they come
In
to
case
break
they
it.
come, yeah. Thane ki rickshaw. That song is damn catchy.